On this World Environment Day, Bhagwan Birsa Biological Park Ranchi celebrates a heartwarming symbol of nature's resilience and renewal. A pair of painted storks brought from Indira Gandhi Zoological Park, Vishakhapatnam, has successfully bred in the park's big aviary and welcomed 3 delicate chicks into the world. 2 of the chicks can be seen receiving devoted parental care as their parents tirelessly feed, protect and nurture them. These tender moments are a powerful reminder that when we protect habitats and work towards conservation, wildlife responds by thriving and reproducing. The sight of new life flourishing under the watchful eyes of caring parents reflects the very spirit of World Environment Day, a celebration of our responsibilities to safeguard nature for future generations. As these young painted storks grow and prepare to spread their wings, they carry a message of hope, reminding us that every effort made towards conservation helps create a healthier and more sustainable world for all living beings.